Today I am going to be opening the DJI mic Mini. I'm using a current mic that I really don't like as much, but I did see this one and I thought it would be a good option for me. I am on live on TikTok as well right now during this recording, so I might look that way for a couple minutes, but I am going to do this open box on this one just to see how it is, how I like the mic quality and all that stuff. Um, First, let me get okay, it's opening up already. All right, so got it from Amazon. Paid $100 for this mic. It's supposed to be a lot much better than my current setup. This mic that I have now, I had this mic set up, which connects to my iPhone 13 Pro. Connects to there, which is okay, but I need something that'll connect to my 14 Pro and that have better quality than my other one. So this one, I've watched a couple videos on it already. It looks like it goes pretty far out, very far out actually, from the video that I've seen. But it comes with two receivers. Well, it comes with two mics, one receiver, and then the dongle that goes inside of the phone, so I can actually get the recording of it. All right, just the plastic off of here. Um, let's see. First thing I see, wrapped up in some plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take off this plastic cover off of this. Okay, put that to the side. All right, so first thing I see on here, it does come in a nice, cool looking case. It's pretty nice, nice case here. DJI case. All right, so once I open this up, it has the first thing I pull out is like the two fuzzy thingies that go on the end of the mic. I don't know why they choose to have the fuzzy thingies on here. It's kind of stupid to me, but they have these that go on the mic, which I don't like as much. So y'all might not be seeing that on my microphone. I like to look somewhat professional when I use these things. So now I'll pull out let's see, trying to get the small things out first. Second small thing that's in here, it looks like it is let's see, so it's the connector that goes into the camera if you have like a professional camera. Right now I use my iPhone, so I probably won't be using this no time soon. So they have that connector. So I'm put to the side, and then they have a USB to USB-C charger. I'm guessing to charge up the charging case that comes with it. So I'll put this to the side as well. As you can see, I'm not really moving my head and eyes as much as I want to because I just had that surgery. So trying to take it a little slow for now. All right, so here's what we've been waiting for basically, which is the DJI mic Mini. Taking it out the plastic, so the plastic over there. Comes in a nice looking case. Case is pretty nice. Showed you guys as well. Case is pretty nice. So now I just say press to unlock. So I'll just take off the sticker there. Press that to unlock it. Boom. All right. Just opened it for the first time. And I must say that this looks very, very nice inside of here. Just for the first view of it. So inside of here, like I said, you got the receiver, which is this little small thing here, which goes on the bottom of the phone. Then you have, and also this is magnetic when it goes in. You can definitely feel the magnet when this goes in. So I'm guessing if you have it like this, they won't fall out. So that's a good thing as well. Don't fall out. Over here, you got one mic. The mics is pretty, it's like quarter size mics. You have one mic. Then you have the second mic here. And then we have the USB-C adapter that goes on the receiver that plugs into the phone. So that's that. So I'm gonna keep this out, and I'm gonna keep out the receiver as well. And also, so this TikTok, y'all gonna get more of this video when I post it later. Just let y'all know. But the video is basically um, just a walkthrough. This mic setup is definitely really good for YouTube or TikTok or whatever content creators in general. So at the bottom, I took off this little piece that covers up the adapters at the bottom. Took off that, so I can now put on the USB-C adapter to this bottom part. So this should just slide straight in, which it does. Yep, there we go. All right, so yeah, it slides straight in. You can hear a little pop on it. So it goes straight in, which is good. Pretty easy. And then what I'm going to do, I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max that I'm going to be testing this on. So this plugs right into the bottom of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So inside of my recording, y'all going to be able to listen to the speakers and everything. So I'll plug this into the phone, and then I'm going to get out my mic. So this mic, you just push up. I'm gonna just click this on right to this side. And it looks like it's on already because the green light is solid on that. The green light is solid on here as well. So solid green lights must be a good thing. All right, so on here, I'm gonna go to my video. I'm gonna go to the camera. I'm also gonna start recording on here as well. I'm gonna just do a dual recording. All right, so right now I'm testing out the DJI mic mini. New microphone, just got in. Hopefully that y'all hear this well, see how it sounds, let me know how it sounds compared to this one and that one. So I started off with this microphone and now I've moved over to the DJI. So let's let me know how that sounds and everything. But I think that this microphone may be a lot much better. But again, once I put this video together, y'all should be able to hear those sounds very well and let me know how it sounds. It was a pretty simple, easy setup. I got the one that has the two microphones in it. So if I wanted to have somebody else mic'd up and anything like that, you can do that. And they both will come through very, very nicely. And I also heard that you can, on here, basically like turn within the DJI app, you could turn up and down the volume for each microphone if you use the DJI app, which I do have on this phone because I use it for my drone as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be replacing the mic audio from my old microphone to the new one in this video so you can be able to see how this sounds and how great it sounds, or if I should return it and just stay with the old one and just buy an adapter for it. But I think that this new one should be a lot much better because this one I think I only paid like $30 for like a year ago, 2 years ago maybe. This one, $100. It's a big upgrade, something that I needed to do if I want to take my content creation a lot more seriously now. So I'm gonna test this out today and tomorrow, see how well it works for me. If it's working well, then this is what I'm gonna be having on me majority of the time because I'm gonna just be vlogging like crazy for the next few years of my life. So let me know what y'all think about this. $100 off Amazon, DJI Mic Mini. It's really good for content creators. If you want to be a content creator or anything like that, I probably recommend that y'all get this, but y'all can be the judge of that once this video drop. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me know how y'all feel about the DJI Mic Mini if you have one. If y'all have any other questions about it, let me know that too. We do have a tech company, so y'all gonna be seeing a lot with this. So, all right, thank y'all for watching. Peace.